Hi everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. Let's make bow and arrow. Here we're going to make the bow using earbud and rubber band. So tie them together and look, it's ready. Finally, we're going to put the rubber band on the other side and look, it is ready. Let's make this mini chair using bamboo sticks. You can see the measurement here. Cut small pieces and make the seat and legs of the chair. Paste them using glue and it's done. Here we're going to make this vehicle. As you can see, we're going to paste the ice cream sticks and put the bottle cap and make the wheels, and then we're going to put rubber band as well. Roll the rubber band and look, it's ready. Look at this fun craft. Let's learn how you can make it at home. As you can see, we're going to cut the fan using the paper and then color it. Now we're going to make a hole on the bottle and put this red color of thread and then put the fan inside the bottle and it's ready. Here we're going to use 2 paper clips and then put this rubber band on the top of it, and look, your arrow is ready. You can play with it. Here we're going to use these colorful straws and make 3 circles. Now put the stick and then make the wheel. Similarly, we're going to add more straws and make the tricycle and it's ready. As you can see, we're going to cut the base of the paper cup and make the wheel. Similarly, make the handle and seat using this green straw and it's ready. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and share with your friends.